Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with Two-Way Direct. Today I have the Hytera HP682 radio, and this is what it comes with it. It comes with the radio, the battery and back piece, the antenna, the belt clip, the charging port, the charging adapter plug, and a wrist strap. So let's build this together. First with the radio, we'll turn it around. In the back, we'll add in the battery. To add this, we'll want to get it pretty close together, and then we'll slide up to engage it. And this will turn your radio on immediately. Then with the antenna, we'll turn this clockwise until it's snug but not too tight. If you choose to use the belt clip, you can slide it in the back part of the battery. So I hold on to the metal clip part and tighten it, and then slide it until it clicks. If you want to add the wrist strap, there's a part in the back that allows you to install it. You just have to loop them through, and it's installed. The single unit charger that comes with this radio has the port on the back for the adapter. So you easily insert it there. And before you start charging your radio, you want to make sure to turn off your radio. This will extend the life of your battery. This charger will charge the radio and battery, as well as additional spare batteries. So first, let's turn this off, and we'll do that by holding the on switch. Turn it off. And you'll use the slots in the back of the battery to hold it in place. If you wanted to charge spare batteries, we'll do that by taking the battery off by using the latch at the bottom, sliding down, and same thing here, you'll line up the slots, and this would charge your spare batteries while you're using your radios. To get more information on this Hytera HP682 radio, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.